I am so excited to do this episode. You guys love Q&A, so I thought I would do a little Q&A with my tribe. No, Mama? My tribe of 5. You get him. What is the one thing you want to be when you grow up?
Batman.
You want to be Batman?
I want to be a lot.
Like what?
I want to be a baseball player.
Mm-hmm.
A doctor.
A doctor?
And I want to be a lacrosse player.
A lacrosse player, okay. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go? Would you go see Big Mama?
Yeah. I want to go to Japan.
Japan. You love learning about Japan.
Cabo.
Cabo? Or would you go to Paw Patrol Command Center?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you could eat one thing every day, what would it be?
A cucumber.
You love cucumbers. Do you like avocados? Do you like apples?
Junk food.
Besides that.
Junk food.
Besides that.
Junk food.
If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Mama.
Oh, Mama. Oh, wrong question, but okay.
Throwing out cards.
Throwing out cards?
I will be a window.
Be a window, why? Because you can see in everyone's lives?
Mm-hmm.
If you had to be an animal, what animal would you be?
A chimpanzee. A zebra.
A zebra, why?
I like zebra.
What makes you happy?
A ball.
A ball makes you happy. You love bouncing a ball.
Cookie.
Cookies make you happy? Anything else makes you happy?
No.
No. What is Mama's favorite thing to do?
Drink coffee.
Drink coffee?
Shop and drink Coca-Cola in the car and put your feet on the chair and go to bed.
Go to bed. Mama does love to go to bed after a long day.
And honk on everyone. And be
I do
rude.
not honk when we drive. I only honk every now and then I'll honk, which is really bad. How old am I?
40.
I love you so much. You're super smart.
26.
Perfect. What is my job?
To take pictures. To video.
Go to take pictures and video?
An actor, a fashion designer, and a movie star.
Well, I'm not a movie star, but thank you. That was the end of our Q&A. We tried to do the outro with kids and, well, that failed. But at least you learned a little bit more about me and my tribe of 5. They're crazy. What's my favorite drink?
Red wine.
Oh, thanks.